What's up everybody, this is a quick video on how to replace the battery on an Audi key fob. Now if you jumped into your car and it didn't start with the little button push start, there's no need to worry, it's probably just the battery on this key fob. So this is how you replace it. First thing we're going to do is going to make sure we have the correct battery. For this key fob you need a 2032. Now grab a flathead screwdriver and then flip the fob over, put the flathead screwdriver into the back channel here and then give it a good pop. It's going to pop this little lid off. Remove the lid. Notice how the battery's sitting inside this lid here. Take your flathead screwdriver and pop the battery out. You can see in the lid it has a little plus symbol. That means the plus side needs to go down. So here's the plus side of the battery. I put it down into the lid. Put the lid back on. Give it a good push. It's all flush and sitting correctly. Test the lights. Lights turning on. And that's how you replace the battery. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it. Check out my channel for more videos like this.